I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Plex intro detection to skip TV show openings. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to your Plex Web App, and log into your server admin account. Step 2. Click the Settings wrench icon in the top right corner of the interface. Step 3. Look at the menu on the left side of the screen, find the Settings category, and then click Library. Step 4. Locate the setting labeled Generate Intro Video Markers. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose either as a scheduled task during maintenance or as a scheduled task and when media is added. If you want Plex to handle new files right away, picking the option that includes when media is added is your best bet. Click Save Changes if prompted. Step 5. If you want to make sure a specific library is ready, go back to the left sidebar menu, look under the Manage section, and click Libraries. Hover your mouse over your TV show's library and then click Edit Library. Click the Advanced tab on the side of the window, ensure that Enable Intro Detection is checked, and then click Save Changes. Your server will now run the analysis in the background. When you play a supported show on a compatible streaming device, a Skip Intro button will pop up on your screen right as the theme music starts. If you want to take this convenience a step further and skip the openings completely without having to click a button, you can adjust your player settings. While playing a video on a supported client like a Smart TV, Roku, or Apple TV, open the Playback Settings menu, navigate to Player Experience, look for the Skip Intro option, and change it from manually to automatically. This will command Plex to seamlessly slide right past the theme song and drop you directly into the actual episode action. It is also worth noting that if you have just added a massive television show collection to your server and you do not want to wait around for the scheduled maintenance window to find the intros, you can force an immediate scan. To do this, head to your main Plex dashboard, click into your TV library, and open the specific season you want to process. Click the three dots icon on that season page and select Analyze. This will kick off the audio matching system for those specific episodes right away, and you can monitor the progress by checking the spinning activity icon at the top of your web app. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.